Okay, today is November 7th, 2024. I'll be backtesting a week's worth of data from Monday, March 6th to Friday, March 10th. Monday, no news. Tuesday, Powell speaks, won't be trading. Wednesday, Powell speaks again, so won't be trading. And Thursday and Friday. So I'll be trading Monday, Thursday, and Friday. So we can trade Monday here. So at 9:30. Previous day lows, previous day highs already taken. Okay, we have, it's a 15-minute chart here. Okay, so I definitely want, I want to rebalance of this. Definitely want to rebalance of this leg. We have two unfilled 15 minutes here. One super, super close. And the next one not too far down. Get another one. Clone it here. Wait, hopefully when market opens, we can juice this up and get a inversion to this, to these unfilled 15s, and again to rebalance this leg. It's like here. So, see what happens. We have, of course, ES loaded up to look for any SMTs, anything like that. Okay. Make sure I'm in here. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay. If we can, okay, if we can invert this 1 minute, right? We have unfilled 15s, we have LR. We have lower liquidity here. I will then take the 1 minute inversion here. If we can get it, I will quick check the higher time frames. Right, definitely 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, so it's just 1 minute here. Okay, I'm going to skip out on the 1 minute because I don't like how we took out this internal low. I don't want this to be used as a soup and then we continue higher, take out this external range liquidity here. So I'm going to pass up on this 1 minute to maybe look for something different. Hopefully we don't take out our targets here. Okay, so we ran most of the lower resistance liquidity, but we did keep it on. We didn't tap the unfilled 15, right? Yeah, we missed it just by a tick, right? So I still want to see a rebalance of this leg, and both of these 15 minutes to be rebalanced. All right, so I'm gonna inverse back up. Possible SMT at the highs here if this can hold. Breaks it off here, and I still think it is. Yeah, and we still SMT as well here. So I want to make sure okay, they're both a little 1 minute charts. So is there an inversion this leg? There is this. Just 3 minute? No, okay. So there's just this 2 minute inversion here. So if we can get this 2 minute inversion, it barely doesn't close here. So we can't take it there. Obviously, if we got to close, it would just look something like this, right? Target was 15-minute rebalance. Stops. But we have to wait here, see if we can get a close. And it's going to run off without us, sadly. It was just about at equilibrium there. So the 2-minute inversion is probably our best bet here, but we can click through here, see if we can get anything we like. Inside this 15-minute. No 5, no 4. Just a super discounted 3-minute that I don't even know if we'll end up getting. Let's see what happens with this 3-minute. This doesn't get inverted because I would still want to see lower. G here. This could please. So if this doesn't end up getting inverted, then and it sold, we'll probably just call it here. And we rerun the highs here. So definitely wanted to see the first unfilled 15 that was resistance liquidity. I think that was super obvious draw in the beginning, and both of our entries kind of just ran away from us. So we'll go ahead and head over to Thursday, because so I will speak on Tuesday and I will speak on Wednesday. Stay open. So we'll skip one more day. There you go. Now we can head into Thursday. Okay. And Thursday was no news. Only Friday was 10 news. Or news at 8:30. So this is Thursday. Clear the chart. Previous day highs taken. Previous day lows. We're trading inside this massive 4-hour. We did not tap into that at 12. I'm trying to see what happened between the session here from 12 to 5, maybe the daily profile here. Yeah, so it looks like, yeah, nothing sponsored this move down, which then, right, this is Jesus, which then may come back up here. So we have an unfilled 15 lower, trading inside of 15 now. Check for any equal lows. All right, close here. So 15-minute rebalance, equal lows. So pretty good sell set targets. I couldn't get a really good like daily profile here, but since we are just more in a premium, then let's see what market open does. Unfilled 5. Unfilled 5 minutes. We're extremely bullish reaction on unfilled 5 minute. These are equal highs, right? Okay. So triple equal highs because it hasn't gotten taken out yet. We get taken out the next candle here. But if we leave them, then we leave them. Okay. So buy side liquidity. Hopefully we don't get too much displacement here through this high. That'll be a really good sign. And then we could look for low. And again, they're following pretty correlated, right? This is good. Highest time frame is 5 minute, sadly, in 1 minute here. 5 minute unfilled 5 here. So we'll just mark that as an unfilled 5. Maybe we can trade to it. 2 minutes. There's not even a 1 minute here. And I'm almost positive they don't let you do seconds. Yeah, they don't let you do seconds. So no inversion setup here. Right, if there's like an inversion this leg, it would have been like a nasty thing to the unfilled 5. Hold to the these equal lows on 15. But this leg looks okay. Let's just keep going here. Maybe open something up. Maybe we can grab. Another no, not unfilled 5 yet. Potentially an unfilled 15 here. 15 unfilled 5. This is already tagged, so I'll leave that down there. And let me quick check the session indicators. I didn't even check the session indicators. So yeah, London, Asian lows, Asian highs are all around. So don't worry about that. Unfilled 15 potentially. Yes, get unfilled 15 here. And sadly, this 5 minute, not much we can do about this, unless we can get something to the 5 minutes. It looks like we'll open up another 5 minute. This might just be a day where we just get absolutely no retrace, except for the earlier when we tagged that 5 minute and just boomed. To okay. I'm gonna take this 2 minute inversion. I just gotta do one more check here real quick. Hop back over to the 1 minute here. So SMT at the highs, SMT here. Right. Thank you. Took at the highs. Yes, not. So I definitely want. So smart money's in play. It's 2 minute inversion to the unfilled 5. I'm gonna take the short. About 84 ticks. I might hold longer though for sure. Yeah, I'll hold longer. I'll hold until about equilibrium here. I'll do full TP here, but just above equilibrium. Cool. So about 147, and put it at the high, so 83. So this is what I'm looking at here. Exactly what I want. Okay, we're getting first for a con. 147 is our take profit. Or stop. And we can break even. The start of the slow resistance liquidity. This magnet's being annoying, but yeah. So and we'll break even at the start of the slow resistance liquidity. Break even there. Okay, so let me just take all this off here, right? Make it easier to see. And this is the trade here. So let's get it. So I break even. I don't want to TP just yet here. I'll TP1 at this low resistance liquidity getting hit. There you go. TP1 here. And I'm gonna hold the rest of the equilibrium. Bang. really good. This will probably run even lower, just past 10 a.m. maybe, right? It's just that 10 a.m. reversal here. Start of that 10 a.m. reversal, and we still have that. We still have that on full 15, right? 15-minute rebalance. Maybe we run all the way down there. I just want to come and go see here. Let's mark this out. And actually, perfect. Right? So absolutely perfect. Take profit placement. So we were to snag that on flip hours, snag equilibrium of the range. Again, S&T, singular inversion, great sell side targets for a W trade. Right, so we'll clear this off. Do the last day, Friday, which is NFP. We'll go to Friday here. There's news at 8:30, right? Yeah. Cool. So 8:30. So we have data lows. Again, extremely strong draw. The data has already taken. So super high odds, and most of the time we go to these data lows. It's not always the case, but they're a really strong draw. They're really strong draw. We're coming off sweeping. You stay at lows. Cool. Mark everything out. You stay highs. I'm just trying to see how balanced is this leg. Maybe we see we trade more back up into equilibrium this leg, forcing a short. But we're delivering from this 1 hour, and we have enough of 1 hour above here. Let's see what market open does here. We inverted that 15, so it's just really high confirmation. We come to these data lows after inversing this 15-minute. It's even a bullish for value. Mark it out. Complete inverse it. So let's see. Check these 5 minutes. Super fire. I would love to see is if we trade back into this 5-minute for sure. Trade back into this 5-minute. And get a short maybe on the 1-2 minute. As far as this, right? It's an unfilled 5 as well. Let's see what market open does here. Hopefully we don't just. Okay. Good. Good. Order block here. Order block, bearish order block, right? Supporting price down, but hopefully we can just violate it here and don't check for data lows, which might be the exact same thing we do, right? Tap in that order block and run in data lows. So this is a case where like the inversion model doesn't show up, but you know the draw and you can take different PD arrays to get to there, right? So I think this 1 minute order block would have been just fine. And it ran, obviously, it ran right to the price. So, but let's see if we can still get a now. Now I'm only interested, right, in longing here, right? Super and discounted, just swept out of lows. We have a unfilled 5 here, right? 2 unfilled 5s. Check the 15-minute. Yeah. Let's see what happens. Let's see what we can get here. Okay, so it's data low as well. I'll just keep moving this down here. I'll take out this data low. We don't even need to see it here. I believe we have 15-minute here. So 15-minute. We have a 5-minute. We have two. We just have 2 stacked 5 minutes. There's nothing really we can do. So we'll probably just have to let this. Maybe not. It's a 3-minute inversion, but you wouldn't. Nah, you wouldn't take that. You couldn't take that to unfilled 3. Break even at the unfilled 3, target the unfilled 5. Possibly. That's not even that bad. We're trading inside that one. No, I'm just gonna let this skip on it. But what I was thinking is, right, this 3-minute inversion closes here. Take the 3 minutes, then unfilled 3-minute break even. Target the unfilled 5. So this is what it would look like. But that risk to reward is pretty fucking trash. You probably leave it around here. Still no inversion set up here, but it'd be break even around there. Just that have been broke even? Yeah, it would have broke even. So we fill that on fill 5. Now we're trading inside a 15-minute for value gap. Yeah, and the only thing we could take is this premium dash 5-minute to the unhook if you wanted it, but we're still trading inside this 15 minutes, so just spam through here. Let me keep equilibrium up so I know. Okay, but you're trading already super if but now we already. Okay, I like this. I like this. I like this. I like this. I like what's forming here, right? We have LR, we have Eucalos. We're trading inside the higher time frame for the value gap. We traded back up to equilibrium. Equals here. There's this liquidity. I wouldn't hate shorting at all. Hate how it doesn't. Yeah, this LR here. So move. So it looks like this. Cool. Let's see if we can catch something nice here. Unfilled 5. That's pretty annoying. Okay. I mean, yeah, we can just see what happens with this 5-minute inversion. Otherwise, it's the highest time frame, right, from this leg. So if we can get inverse and a good close, then I'll look to take it. So no close there. Really don't want to see us around here. 5 minutes going to get saved. I don't want to see this until 5 just get left here. Hopefully we can tag it. But let's see, this 5 minute doesn't just run from us. So that 5 minutes gonna close here. Again, I do not know why this says LR. FSG plays been super buggy. Super buggy. Yeah, LR. And I think final target that just being sell side. So I am gonna try this. I'm gonna try this 5 minute. Even though we didn't tag it, I think my stop loss would be above it anyway. That if we do tag it, it will be okay. Yeah, trading inside this 15-minute bearish rally gap is higher time frame PD array. We have a quick check the 15 minutes here. Yeah, good. Making sure there's not any high S&T and a high time frame PD array. That's just more confidence to go the more confidence to my short. But yes, trading inside this higher time frame fair value gap. Traded equilibrium of the range. I traded back up. And I'm gonna take this 5 minute. Hopefully that just very distracting. Take 5 minute here. Here. And probably size pretty. I'll have stops here. So here we could definitely size down here, right? Just get 5 micros here into a sell, take profits. Stop loss at 189 and 224. break even at the new internal low. And that is at 11,899.50. Okay, yeah. Again, sell side targets would be equal those orders and liquidity at sell side. Confluences, delivering from this high time for value gap, singular for value gap, good close, and yeah. Let's go. I'm pretty sure this is a pretty good stop. I'm just trying to double check on the stop loss here. Yeah, it's about as good as I'll get here. Ooh, that's super, super close. I really hope we don't use these like wicks and shit, but we'll definitely get stuff down here. I'm just gonna spam it through. See if it would have worked anyway. So it does end up using as like a semi-soup to come back down, resweep out this low again. And we just head right back up. So I liked it. I maybe a little, probably just a little bit of a discounted entry, but we sized correctly, we sized appropriately, and my win was still bigger than my losses. So quick check the analytics out here. 37-6, 80% win rate, and that was right 560 to 472. We could have. Did we trade on Monday? No, we missed both those trades on Monday. So still up on the day. That's going to be it. That's going to be the video. Or we couldn't trade Tuesday or Wednesday because of Powell speaking. But decent session. And hope you guys learned something and back.